Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on lockdown mode in the power off screen on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now, first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on lock screen, and then go down here and tap on secure lock settings. In here, put in the PIN or password, and then tap on show lockdown option. Now if I switch it off, you can see in my power off screen, I do not have the lockdown option. And if I go back in here and switch it on, then if I go back into my lock screen, or not my lock screen, my power off screen, then you can see the lockdown mode becomes available. Now if I tap on lockdown mode, then my phone goes into a lock state. It will not shows fingerprint scanning. The face recognition is also turned off, and smart lock is also turned off. So those three things will get switched off when you are in lockdown mode. So you got display a power button options that turns off, smart lock, biometrics, unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on, and that's how you can use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.